Have you heard? You mean you don't know? Where have you been? How is this possible? Well, I'll answer all these questions and maybe some you didn't know you had regarding the summer right now in today's episode. I'm Jordan from the Training and Support team here at Longfields-Davidson High School, and this is your weekly upgrade. Today is our kickoff for the registration for our World Cup summer workshops. That's right, we have so much to offer with a soccer theme to make sure you score all the workshop goals of your choice. Let's walk you through how to register and what we have to offer this year. The first way to register is to find one of these flyers and scan the QR code, or you can grab your phone that's hopefully right near you, pause this video and scan it right now. Don't worry, I'll wait. You'll be taken to our training and support site workshops registration page. The other way to register is to select the banner found directly on the main site of our page. Hopefully you have it bookmarked. If you still can't find it, well, just hop onto the OCDSB staff portal, select IT support and resources, choose technology resources, and select training and support. Now you can bookmark it.
You're supposed to back me up and go get me juice boxes when I tell you.
When you're on our registration page, just scroll past the confetti and you'll see you have two options to choose from. We have virtual workshops, which are live and happening from July 6th to the 23rd on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, either at 9:30 a.m. or at 1 p.m. They are 1 hour in length and hosted by our amazing training and support team that is currently awaiting your arrival. Included in that 1 hour workshop is a chance to learn, a chance to connect, and a chance to walk away a winner because we have a lot of great topics. What are the topics, you ask? Well, we have understanding Google Calendar, focusing on sharing all the visibility features. We have Google Forms Essentials, so starting from the core of creation to design efficiently and effectively. Next, we have Google Sheets Essentials, really getting to be confident in how to use this tool with intent and precision. Another is Workspace Essentials, a workshop designed for collaboration within the Google environment, from tips to truly gathering the key info to use your Google Drive to the max. A great workshop to sign up for is titled New Options in AI. Gemini and Notebook LM are key features, and we showcase how to best use them for your workflow. Then we move on to Google Classroom New Additions. With AI features built right into Classroom, you'll be amazed at how intuitive it can be. We also have a workshop fully dedicated to accessibility, focusing on key apps that have amazing tools you may not know about, but want to start using right away. Lastly, we feature all the amazing new features Canva has to offer in the new Canva Playbook with the upcoming Canva AI 2.0. You won't want to miss this. After you register, we'll remind you plenty before the big game.
Here he goes with the approach. Oh!
But that's not all. The other option we offer in our summer workshops for you busy bees is to choose from our list of on-demand micro-learning modules that you can learn on your own time in the summer. From Canva whiteboarding, Google tips and tricks, appointment scheduling in Google Calendar, or learning more about Google Docs, we cover just about everything that it'll make you start cheering like... Well, that's it for your weekly upgrade. Here is the QR code once more, and we really hope to see you in a virtual center circle, ready to start the games in the summer. Make sure to sign up today, and we'll see you very soon. Take care.